knocked heaven's door. Then mercy came softly like rain on a stone, and the silence broke open, I wasn't alone. For his anger is only for a moment, but his favor stays near. Weeping may last through the night, but joy comes in the morning clear. You turn my morning into dancing. You pull me out of the night. Now give me a shout in the valley. You put my soul in the light. When I cried for mercy, you answered me with love. Now I stand on some 35, praising all heaven above. My heart had been wounded, my spirit undone, but the Lord took my hand like the rising sun. He turned on my morning to a new song of praise, and dressed up my sorrow in grace for my day. I lift up my voice where the hard roads bend, for the God who restores is a God who mends. You turn my morning into dancing. You pull me out of the night. You gave me a shout in the valley. You put my soul in the light. When I cried for mercy, you answered me with love. Now I stand on Psalm 35, praising all heaven above. Weeping may last for the night, but joy is coming in the morning. I'll sing till the sunrise breaks and my soul keeps on the dawn.